It is finally here. The package that I've been waiting for. And I'll be unboxing it. And that package is of course the replacement battery for the Dell Inspiron N-5050 laptop. And I noticed that the package is covered with this wrapping plastic material, and inside there's two boxes. And the thing is, I have to be careful when opening this because it's under warranty, and this is the only material I could put it back in. You know, as the boxes are concerned, put them back in the boxes and put it in this wrapping material that covers both boxes. So and this looks like packaging tape. I thought it was a receipt, but it looks like packaging tape to me. Yeah. Whoops. That's alright. Oh yeah. That's packaging material. And if you hear that noise, that's my iPod. That's what I don't like about packages, is that the packaging wrapping, the tape, is hard to take off. And that's what I'm trying to do, is remove it. And of course the packaging tape, has that address over it, so I don't want anybody anybody to see my address. And I decided to do this in the kitchen because it's better lighting in here. I'm not saying the room doesn't have that good lighting, but in here, it's way better. And if this is a long video, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I just tore a piece of the packaging tape. Okay. I'm gonna come back and let you know when I took off the packaging tape. Alright, I just got the bag open just now, and it was a pain in the butt to open because there's a lot of tape over it, and I took part of the packaging label off, so it's open. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. So the first box I see when I take it out of the bag is the AC adapter. It's nice. It's a nice bubble wrap. Close that. Now, before I plug it in, before I plug in the computer, let's see what's in the other box. This box is some padding and there's a package under the padding. Sponge. This is the battery. So, what I'm going to do, I'll be right back, and I'm going to see how long the battery is. Let me see if it matches with my old laptop battery. Alright, so as I got the battery out of the package, I plugged it into my computer, and the good news is it works. I am happy. I'm so happy. And it's the same exact size as this battery right here. That is so good. And I'm happy. Because with this battery right here, it didn't work. When you plugged it into the computer without the AC adapter, nothing. That is amazing. Let me start up narrator. Alright. Oh, I hear something.
Windows sign in window.
Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna log in here.
Escape. Password. Hidden. 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 Sign in options. Hyperlink. Network status. Bright. Ease of access. Shut down button. Submit button. Net. Sign in options. Hyper. Net. Ease of access button. Shut down button. Password. Submit button. Enter.
Okay, so I'm happy that this old battery matches with the new battery. That made my day. So it's gonna wait for it to load, and then I'm gonna load NVDA. So one thing I'm gonna do now to have the new battery, I'm not gonna overcharge it anymore, the computer. I'm so happy it works. And this battery is the battery for the Dell Inspiron N-5050 laptop, and it has the 4400 milliamp power inside it, just like the old battery. And it's a 6-cell battery too, lithium ion. And it's the same color, which is black. This is awesome.
Taskbar. 6:01 p.m. Start.
Let's see here. Let me check the notification center.
Notification chevron. 6:01 p.m. Notification center. User promoted notification. Rightful Mico 2HR 26 min 68% remaining.
I'm so happy. It works. Because on the old battery, it said no batteries detected. And this battery works just fine. Well, that concludes my review, the unboxing of the battery, and I'll let you know what I think of it when I charge it up a few times. Thank you for tuning in to my unboxing of the Dell Inspiron N-5050 replacement battery. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Hope you guys have a great evening. God bless, and take care.
Close. 0 faces.